Hello everybody. All right, I'm going to try another cloud pour. I scraped off one that I didn't like, so I'm going to try one more time. So this time I'm using a few different colors. I've got some gold Artist Loft Flow Acrylic. This one has floetrol in it. I'm just going to add a little floetrol this time, see if it helps. I've got some Daler Rowney red. And I have some light magenta. It's got floetrol and a little bit of pouring medium. And I have my white house paint. Supposed to be enamel. Got it stirred well. And I've got mostly enamel and a little bit of Artist Loft white in there. Okay, we got some other paper cups. Maybe not. Try this one. I need about half of this, I think, a little bit more. I hope I have enough red here. I have some mixed up that I could actually add to this, so I think I need a little more. I'll just make sure it's thin enough. It needs a little bit of water. I want it so that when I do the stream, it indents into the paint. I hope that's okay. Alright, I'm going to put some red in the bottom. And I'm going to pour in some white. I'm doing it down the side. Put some gold. I hope this gold doesn't disappear, but sometimes gold does. This is not metallic gold though. Okay, I got some magenta. A little more white. It's actually a little bit of gray. Oh, crap. What should I do with that? I think I'll just spread it. Shouldn't hurt anything. Okay. I think I have more than enough. There we go. I'm gonna get my tray that I poured my other one in. Just gonna swirl it around. Well, it looks pretty cool, but I don't know if it's gonna work this time. I'll have to let it set for a while. See if anything goes, see if anything happens. There's definitely some cells. I'm just going to leave it. I'll let it sit and then I'll come back and I'll show you. Hi, I came back. I wanted to show you a close-up. Sorry, I forgot to do that before. There you go. And the cells haven't changed. But it's pretty. I really like it. Okay, here's my dried results of my cloudy pour, which is a little cloudy, but not totally cloudy. It looks really nice. I really like it. There you go, dried results.